Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Snena. I'm going to discuss the application of automation in industrial scale. So first हम देखेंगे कि automation क्या होता है. Automation is basically the delegation of human control function for to technical equipment for automation जो है वो basically एक delegation होता है ह्यूमन कंट्रोल फंक्शन के लिए, जिसमें जो है वो हम प्रोडक्ट्स को इंक्रीज़ करते हैं, उसकी क्वालिटी को इंक्रीज़ करते हैं और उसकी कॉस्ट को जो है वो हम कम करते हैं. इंक्रीज़ सेफ्टी इन वर्किंग कंडीशन, और उसके अलावा सेफ्टी को भी हम इंक्रीज़ करते हैं ड्यूरिंग वर्किंग. हिस्ट्री ऑफ ऑटोमेशन. प्रोग्रामेबल लॉजिक कंट्रोलर, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंट्रोल यूजिंग लॉजिक गेट्स, हार्डवायर्ड लॉजिक कंट्रोल, न्यूमेटिक कंट्रोल एंड मैनुअल कंट्रोल. मैनुअल कंट्रोल. ऑल द एक्शन रिलेटेड द प्रोसेस कंट्रोल आर टेकन बाय द. जितने भी इस प्रोसेस मैनुअल कंट्रोल के लिए जो ऑपरेटर के लिए प्रोसेस है वो है उसका जो ड्रॉबैक है, लाइकली ह्यूमन एरर्स एंड कॉन्सिक्वेंटली इट्स इफेक्ट ऑन क्वालिटी ऑफ फाइनल प्रोडक्ट्स, द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ सेफ्टी, एनर्जी कंजप्शन एंड यूसेज ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल आर ऑल सब्जेक्ट टू correctness and accuracy of human action. Pneumatic control. Industrial automation with its machine and process control and had its origin in 1920 within the advent of pneumatic controllers. Action were controlled by a simple manipulation of pneumatic valves, which in turn were controlled by relay and switches. Hardware logic control. The contactors and relays together with hardware timers and containers were used in achieving the desired level of automation. Drawback: bulky panels, complex wiring, longer project, difficult maintenance and troubleshooting. Electronic controller using logic gates. In 1916, with the advent of electronics, the logic gates started replacing the relay and auxiliary contactors in the control circuits. The hardware timers and counters were replaced by electronic timers. इसके advantages: reduce space requirement, energy saving, less maintenance and greater reliability. Change in control logic not possible, more projected. Programmable logic controller. In 1917, with the coming of microprocessor and associated peripheral chips, the whole process of control and automation underwent a radical change. Instead of achieving the desired control or automation through physical wiring of control devices in PLC, it is achieved through a program or say software. The programmable controller have in recent years experienced an unprecedented growth and universal element in industrial automation. It can be effectively used in application ranging from sample control, like replacing small number of relay, to complex automation problems. Advantages of PLCs: reduce space, energy saving, easy of maintenance, economical, greater life and reliability, tremendous flexibility, shorter project time, easier shortage arriving and documentations. Industrial automation component: field instrument, control hardware, control software. Automation typically installation: sensor placed in field, junction box, control hardware and SEDA software. Sensor, field instrument. Sensor with transmitter are the field device placed in the field who actually sense the parameter and send the analog signal to the control hardware. The analog signal use are ohm, RTD. Widely used sensor field instrument: output in ohms, temperature, thermocouples, output, pressure transmitter, flow transmitter, level transmitter, conductivity meter, density meter and pH transmitters. Leading manufacturers in sensors field instruments: Fisher, Rosemount, Yockage, Anderson and Hauser, Redick and Toshbro. Control hardware: standalone PID controllers, programmable logical controllers, distributed control system. Standalone PID controller: these are the independent small hardware unit which caters the requirement of closed loop controller in the process. These hardware can be installed in the field or in control room. These hardware can be connected on the network. Currently, the controllers are available with hundreds of segment and programming patterns. Programmable logical controls. Nowadays, PLCs are the most widely used controller hardware in control application. The application range from standalone system for CNC machines to hot swappable redundant system for critical process control. What constitute of a PLC? The PLC is a programmed interference between the field IP element like limit switch, sensor, push button, and the final control elements like actuators, solenoid, control valves, drive, motors, etc. Distributed I/O modulus, hot redundant system configuration diagram, networking of PLCs, networking of PLCs again, programming language in PLCs, ladder logic, structure text, instructions list, sequential function block diagram, supervisory control and data acquisition software, dynamic process graphic, real time alarms, recipe management, security, device connectivity, database connectivity. Some of the leading SADS software: uh, Wonderware, InTouch, Intuition, Merz, Allen Bradley, Siemens, GFNs, KPIT, that is STRA. Role of engineer in industrial automation: designing of automation system, erection and commissioning, application engineering, maintenance and troubleshooting of existing system. These are the applications of automation in industrial scale. Thank you.